usually take our heating and air conditioning for granted when they're working fine, but the moment they act up and leave us sweating or shivering, suddenly it's all we can think about. Joining us today is Leverne Jackson, comfort sales professional of Estes Services. So Leverne, what are some of the signs that someone might see it's time to replace their HVAC system?
Typical life expectancy, lifespan on a heat and air system is between 10 to 15 years. Normally what happens when that system gets in between the 10 to 15 year span, normally start having high energy costs. Also, you start noticing your repair costs starts to go up as well. So those are definitely indicators that it's time to look into replacement of the heat and air system.
And what if mine is making some strange noises from the basement? Is that something I need to look into as well?
Definitely, there's no doubt about that, because that's also a sign, whenever the system starts to get towards the end of its life expectancy on it, start having different odors, smells coming from the system, start rattling, a lot of banging noise, because at that point the system has reached the end of its life expectancy, and you start having those things happen.
So if these signs sound familiar to a homeowner, what do they do next?
Next, they should give us a call at Estes to schedule a time for someone like myself or comfort analyst to come out to do an overall assessment of your system, and also give you some options on the replacement costs of the system as well.
And do you have some offers for our viewers today?
Yes, we do. Currently, right now, we're running some very good financing that actually will allow you the opportunity to purchase a system, as well as we also we have some rebates that's available as well.
That's really generous offer. Thank you so much for being here, Leverne.
Sure, no problem.